Does realizing the DOGELON Mars cost forecast interest you? For the vast majority, the solution to this question will be yes. Since DOGELON Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a ton of prominence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such DOGELON Mars ELON or not. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no legitimate consuming timetable and system for DOGELON Mars ELON, so for $1, you can buy a huge number of DOGELON Mars ELON. Behind the historical backdrop of DOGELON Mars ELON, a Shiba Inu K9 was highlighted in an image. The authentic information uncovers the name of the K9 as Kabisu. The discussion was filled with syntactic and spelling blunders, which had ultimately become viral via virtual entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word K9 was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was flowed on the web. Afterward, two programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made the Dogecoin to jab the extreme other crypto tokens available for use. Dogecoin was planned as a distributed digital money to speak to more extensive demography than Bitcoin. It had set off at a $0.0026 token worth, yet the exchanges were executed past assumption. Thus, the cost of Dogecoin soared and afterward stopped at $0.00095 in 72 hours or less. The value development of Dogecoin is somewhat insane and profoundly unstable. Consequently, wise financial backers took advantage of the unpredictability to become rich temporarily. Today, it has become one of the top esteemed tokens worldwide, spiked colossally in the ongoing year, and has moved to 9th position. At the point when the ubiquity of such tokens expanded, many organizations concocted image coins. A few nations even made a move against image coin flow. In July 2021, Thailand restricted the dissemination of DOGELON Mars ELON coins as a result of its shakiness and chance. DOGELON Mars Specialized Examination. The flightiness of DOGELON Mars ELON cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the digital currency market. Thus, giving a precise DOGELON Mars cost figure is very troublesome. Authentic information of ELON cost shows, the section DOGELON Mars cost was around $0.000000078. Soon after posting, the ELON cost has moved to $0.0000041, yet later after a sell DOGELON Mars sign, it has taken help at $0.000000015. In May 2021, the DOGELON Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0.0000022. DOGELON Mars ELON cost beat the cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the DOGELON Mars ELON cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the principal day of the month. Likened to our expectation, DOGELON Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of DOGELON Mars ELON is around $0.000001438. The DOGELON Mars cost today is exchanging around $0.000009366, with a complete market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The circling supply is 552,955,726,479,823 ELON, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. DOGELON Mars Specialized investigation shows that the ELON cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of DOGELON Mars cost began at 0.000000056 and wound up at $0.000002670, which was the greatest cost of the token. 29th, 30th, 31st of October 2021 has shaped the most elevated light with the colossal backing of volume. In the span of 3 days, ELON cost has moved from $0.000000771 to $0.000002675, upheld by tremendous volume. In no less than a month, a small bunch returned for the people who have DOGELON Mars in their portfolio. Then, at that point, bears began pulling back the ELON cost, which made a dive to $0.000001213. As of now, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive pattern soon. ELON cost took support at $0.0000009. The ongoing cost is gradually bobbing from this level. However, assuming that DOGELON Mars cost today neglect to keep energy in current move, it is normal to take the following help at $0.0000008. Any fall underneath this will be a sell DOGELON Mars signal, and most help levels set at $0.0000006. The significant help is put at $0.0000005. On the upper side, the closest opposition is put at $0.0000011. ELON value needs to break the level to test $0.0000012. As indicated by our examination and gauge, if DOGELON Mars, ELON, can cross the obstruction level, forceful brokers can purchase DOGELON Mars and hold it till it tests its significant opposition at $0.0000014. As per our specialized examination with the most well-known specialized markers, DOGELON Mars ELON's cost has exchanged over its 50 EMA and 20 EMA. RSI is put at 54.33, which is an unbiased sign, nor is it in the oversold zone nor offers any inversion hint to purchase DOGELON Mars signal. MACD line is moving beneath signal line. Volume profile isn't extremely strong right now. While DOGELON Mars ELON cost expectation uncovers opportunities for positive pattern, the ongoing cost of DOGELON Mars ELON is expected to proceed with similar energy for the resulting not many exchanging meetings in view of the cost graph. Assuming there is no local area-driven trigger occurring in the DOGELON Mars gauge for the transient remaining parts impartial. Unexpected crowd reactions of purchasing are past estimate and DOGELON Mars cost expectation. As per market cost expectation.